Hi, welcome to Basic English. In this lesson, you can learn about using should in English. Do you know how to use should? Should has many different meanings and can be used in many different ways. In this lesson, you can learn how to use should correctly and naturally in different situations. So let's start. What does should mean? When we think about it, it is not easy to answer. Look at some example. You should not work so hard. Could you change these sentences so that you keep the same meaning, but without using should? Okay. I think it would be better for you not to work so hard. I don't think it is a good idea for you to work so hard. Okay. For this example, you can see that when you use should, you are talking about when you think is right or what you think the best idea for someone. Okay. Let's move on next. Using should to give advice. This is one of the most common ways to use should. Give advice to other people. Let's see some example. You should not eat burger for dinner every night. Other example. You should watch Indian Idol. It is an interesting show. You should walk every morning. It is better for health. Okay. In these cases, I am giving you advice, telling you what I think is a good idea for you to do. Try to think of your own example. What kind of things do we give advice about? Okay. Many things: work, study, hobbies, dating, lifestyle. Okay. Using should to express your opinion. You can use should to say what you think is the right thing for someone else to do. Look at some example. He should tell her how he feels. I think she should apply for that job. It is quite similar to giving advice, except that you are talking about a third person. You can also use should in this way to talk about more general subject. Look at some example. The government should keep university. The government should raise taxes on the rich. Everybody who works should get 4 weeks paid holiday a year. Try to think of one more example on a different topic. Up to here, we have seen how to use should to talk about the present or the future. However, you can also use should to talk about the past. Let's see how. Using should to criticize past mistakes. Do you know how to use should in the past? Look at some example. You should have asked me for help. You can see that to use should in the past, you need to add have plus a past participle. We use should in this way to talk about mistakes in the past. Often, we use should in the way to criticize ourselves or other person. Okay, look at some example. He should have booked the tickets earlier. They should not have spent so much money on a car. I should not have told her. Meaning, I told her, but I wish I had not. It was a mistake to tell her. You should have studied harder for your exam. Meaning, you did not study hard for your exam, and I think this was a mistake. Okay, let's move on next. Using should to talk about probability. Be said at the beginning that you use should to talk about the right thing to do. That's true for all the meanings of should we have seen until now. However, there is one exception, one meaning of should which does not fit this pattern. Look at some sentence. There should be some milk left. He should be here soon. Remember, should here has a completely different meaning to everything we have seen so far. Can you work it out? In this sentence, should express probability. If I say, there should be some milk left, okay, by probably mean more than 50% chance. So I might say this if I remember buying milk a few days ago and I think there is some milk left, but I am not 100% certain. I think there is probably still some milk in the fridge. Next example, he should be here soon. I mean that he will probably get here soon. For example, imagine your friend is coming to visit you. You know that his train arrives at 11 o'clock and it takes 10 minutes to get to your home from the station. The time now is 11:10. You could say he should be here soon. Okay. Next example, you should definitely go to America if you are in London. It is really worth a visit. It's clearly here. That should means I think it's a good idea for you to go to America and not I think you probably go to the America. That just not make sense. Similarly, if I say it should take about 5 minutes to get there by car, okay, then should clearly express probability. Let's move on next. There is no way for this sentence to be advised and criticized or anything like that. Let's review what you have learned in the class. Give advice. Second, express your opinion. Third, criticize past mistakes. Fourth, express probability. Okay, you can practice at your home. See you in the next video.